learning the different problems on identities, that is x plus a into x plus b, then x plus a, that is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus x into a plus b plus ab, then a plus b whole square formula, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So you have worked out very simple problems for 2 marks on these all identities. So once again I will remind you, an identity is a statement which is true for all the values of the variables involved. So these are called identities. So in today's class we are going to come across another very important identity, which is the cubing of a binomial. So I am going to show you how it is derived, and this particular derivation itself will be asked in your examination for 2 marks, just like verify, something like that. So therefore you have to practice this derivation also, which is very important. So in this session we'll derive the formula for that, for a cubing of a binomial, and we'll solve very simple problems on the particular identity. Alright, so now let us go with this. A plus b whole cube. So the binomial a plus b is raised to the power 3 here. So here, usually in many of the problems which we are going to solve in the higher classes, we are going to come across a situation where in a particular step of solving problems, you are going to get a particular step which is in the form of a plus b whole cube, where you have to expand this and simplify. So at that particular instance, you will have to use the identity. So in this class, let us learn how to use this identity to expand and simplify. Right. So a plus b whole cube is there, that is a plus b is multiplied 3 times. So if a plus b is multiplied 3 times, then it can be written as, that is a plus b into a plus b into a plus b when multiplied 3 times. That can be in short form using law of indices. We can write it as a plus b whole cube. So for the expansion of a plus b whole cube, I am going to do it like this. I will take it as a plus b whole square into a plus b. So actually for a plus b whole cube, still we are deriving the formula here. So therefore we will derive this a plus b whole cube formula by using the previous formula what we already know, that is a plus b whole square. Okay. So a plus b whole cube can be written as a plus b whole square. We will expand this because we know the expansion of this identity a plus b whole square. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square into this a plus b. Right. So a plus b whole cube is equal to, we will multiply this trinomial with this binomial. A into a square is a cube, a into 2ab is plus 2a square b, plus a into plus b square is plus ab square, plus again from this monomial we will multiply this, all the 3 terms again. So b into a square is a square b, plus b into 2ab is 2ab square, plus b into plus b square is plus b cube. So again a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube. I am going to write this term here beside this, that is b cube, plus I am going to write these 2 terms which look alike. They are not like terms, but they look alike. Okay. So 2a square b plus 2ab square, plus I am going to write these 2 terms. So ab square plus a square b. So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So nothing is missed. Okay. So a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube, plus I am going to take 2ab as common here. I am going to take 2ab as common. So if I take 2ab as common here, I am left over with a here plus b here. So 2ab into a is 2a square b, and 2ab into b is 2ab square, plus here I am going to take ab as, or we can do one thing, we can add the like terms here. That's also a better step. We can add the like terms. Right, we'll add the like terms. So here 2a square b plus 1a square b is 3a square b plus 2ab square plus 1ab square, that is this 1ab square. So 2ab square plus 1ab square is 3ab square. Okay. We go to the next step. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus, I'm going to take 3ab as common here. If I take 3ab as common, I will be left over with a plus b. So here, this is the formula for a plus b whole cube. So when we expand this, when we go for the further step here, this can also be written as a cube plus b cube. When we make this as the subject, a cube plus b cube is equal to, we'll transpose this 3ab to a plus b to the LHS, so that becomes a plus b whole cube, which is already here. We'll transpose this term to LHS, that becomes minus 3ab into a plus b. So we'll simplify this further. So a cube plus b cube is equal to, out of these two terms we can take a plus b as common. So this is a single term, this is a single term. So these two terms are getting multiplied here, therefore the whole thing is a single term here. This is a single term, we can take a plus b as common. So here we are left over with a plus b whole square. You can keep it inside flower brackets. So a plus b whole square minus, we are left with 3ab only, right? So a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into, we will expand this a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is our previous formula, minus 3ab. Right, so this comes to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square plus 2ab minus 3ab is minus ab, that is minus 1ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a plus b, okay, that is a cube plus b cube. So these are the two formulas here. So here in your examination it may be asked like verify a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So for this you have to do this entire derivation. So this is the formula for a plus b whole cube, and this is the formula for a cube plus b cube. For a cube plus b cube we have a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and for a plus b whole cube we have a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. You have to by heart this, and you have to remember, and you should be able to recall when it is required, right? So let us go into another formula, that is a minus b whole cube. So in between the two terms we have minus sign, and here we had in between these terms we had plus sign. So it is raised to the power 3. So this can be written as a minus b whole square into a minus b. So a minus b whole square into a minus b is nothing but a minus b whole cube itself, right? So a minus b whole cube is equal to, we will expand this by using our previous knowledge, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square again into a minus b. So we will multiply this trinomial by this binomial by using the distributive property. So a minus b whole cube is equal to a into a square is a cube, a into minus 2ab is minus 2a square b, a into plus b square is plus ab square, minus b into minus a, that is plus a square is minus a square b, minus b into minus 2ab is plus 2ab square, and minus b into plus b square is minus b cube. Okay. So it is a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube. I will take this term, that is minus b cube. So minus 2a square b minus a square b. So these are the two like terms here. So this is minus 1a square b, it is minus 2a square b. So when the signs are same, we have to add the coefficients and write the negative sign. So that becomes minus 3a square b, and this is plus ab square plus 2ab square, that becomes plus 3ab square. Okay. So a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus, okay, we will do one thing, we will take 3ab as common. If you take 3ab as minus 3ab as common, so inside the bracket we are left with a here, because 3ab is taken out, so we are left with only a here in this term, and in this term as 3ab is taken out, we are left with only b, which is plus b. Okay, which is, okay, sorry, it is minus b. Let us check out. minus 3ab into a is minus 3a square b, minus into minus is plus, 3ab into b is 3a b square. So this is the formula for a minus b whole cube. We have to remember a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, let us make a cube minus b cube as the subject here. So if you take this term a cube minus b cube, these two terms, and if you transpose this minus 3ab into a minus b to the that is LHS, it looks like a minus b whole cube. We will transpose this entire term here, so that becomes plus 3ab into a minus b doesn't change to a plus b, it remains a minus b itself. Okay, so a cube minus b cube is equal to, let us take a minus b as common in both the terms. So it is a minus b I have taken common, so I will open flower brackets. So if I take a minus b as common, here we are left over with a minus b whole square, and here I am left over with plus 3ab. Okay, so a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into, we will expand this a minus b whole square, that is our previous identity. In the last classes we have derived that. So that is a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab. So this will be a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square minus 2ab plus 3ab. They are the like algebraic terms, they are going to get that is simplified. So minus 2ab plus 3ab is plus ab plus b square. So this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. So this is very important. You have to recall this. So what is a cube minus b cube? It is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. And what is a minus b whole cube? That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here in front of you we are having four identities. One is a plus b whole cube, another is a minus b whole cube, another one is a cube plus b cube, another one is a cube minus b cube. For 10th standard classes, now we are running trigonometry classes where in most of the problems we come across these formulas. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and a minus b whole cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. And for a cube plus b cube, it is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, and a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So here if you have minus, in the binomial you will be having minus and ab will be positive, and here in between these two terms if you have plus, the binomial will be plus and ab will be minus. So this is how you have to remember and you have to recall this. This is very important. So now let us solve very simple 2-mark application questions on these identities. So we will take some questions from your textbook. Okay. Find the cubes in the expanded form. Or you can take it just like this. Find the cubes of first one. It is 2x plus 1 whole cube. You have to find the cube of this. It's very easy, right? So let us take down the problem. 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So a represents 2x, b represents 1, and in between these two terms we have plus sign. So that is a plus b whole cube, which can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So in this case when we compare here, a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. A is 2x and b is 1. So let us substitute these two values in the formula here. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to a is 2x, a cube is 2x whole cube plus b is 1, b cube is 1 whole cube plus 3 into a is 2x and b is 1 into 2x, that is a is 2x and b is 1. Okay. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 2x whole cube. So here for these two particular terms, the whole cube is given, so therefore this cube applies for this and also this. So 2 cube is 8 and x cube is x cube plus 1 cube is 1, 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1, 1 raised to the power 4 is 1, 1 raised to the power 5 is 1. Okay, so here we have 1 cube, that is 1, plus 3 into 2x into 1 is 3, 2 is 6 into 1 is 6, into x is 6x, into we are left with 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x into 2x. You cannot add these two terms because they are, one is a variable and another is a constant, you cannot add it. So 6x into 2x is 12x square plus 6x into 1 is 6x. So let us rearrange this. So 2x plus 1 whole cube is equal to 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this is the expansion of 2x plus 1 whole cube. So this is very important, it will be for 2 marks in your examination. Right. Let us go with another one. 2a minus 3b whole cube. So let us get into this. 2a minus 3b whole cube is not looking like 2x plus 1 whole cube because in between these two terms we have minus sign. So this is in the form of, right, 2a minus 3b whole cube. It is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So in the form of a minus b whole cube, formula changes. So that is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay. So here a stands for 2a and b is it is 3b. So no need to write minus 3b because in the formula we have minus and in the given problem also we have minus. So therefore directly you can write b is equal to 3b. So now we will substitute these two terms in the formula here. So 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to a is 2a, a cube is 2a whole cube minus b is 3b, b cube is 3b whole cube minus 3 into a is again 2a into b is, it is 3b into a minus b is 2a minus 3b. Okay, this is the substitution step. So 2a minus 3b whole cube can be written as 2a whole cube is 8a cube minus 3b whole cube is 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are, it is 27b cube. So it is 27b cube minus 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, a into b is ab into 2a minus 3b. Okay, so 2a minus 3b whole cube is equal to 8a cube minus 27b cube minus, okay, minus into plus is minus, 18 2s is 36, a into a is a square, b remains in the same manner, minus into minus is plus, 18 3s are 8 3s are 24, 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5, 54, ab into b is a b square. Right, so I hope everything is arranged. So this will be the final answer. Right, so this is the expansion of 2a minus 3b whole cube using the identity. This is very important. Okay. We go with another two problems. Third one, it is 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube. And another one we have, right, we will take it down, x minus 2 by 3y whole cube. So both the problems are very important. It may be asked in your examination for 2 marks. Right. Let us go with this. Alright. So 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube is there. So a appears to be in the form of a fraction, that is 3x by 2, and b is 1. So in between the terms we have plus sign, so therefore this looks like a plus b whole cube, which can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, let us write down what is a and what is b. So here a is 3x by 2 and b is 1. Okay, so a plus b whole cube, in this formula we will substitute the values of a and b now. So that becomes 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube is equal to a is 3x by 2, a cube is 3x by 2 whole cube plus b is 1, b cube is 1 whole cube plus 3 into a is 3x by 2, we will write down this, right, into b is 1 into a plus b, that is 3x by 2 plus 1. Okay, so this is substitution. So 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube is equal to, this cube applies for this, this and this, all the three terms. So 3 cube is 27, x whole cube is x cube, by 2 cube is 8, plus 1 cube is 1, plus 3 into 3x into 1 is 9x by 2, right, and it is 3x by 2 plus 1. Right, in the next step we will multiply that. So 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 27x cube by 8 plus 1 plus 9x by 2 into 3x by 2, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So 9 3s are 27, x into x is x square, by 2 2s it is 4, 9x by 2 into 1 is plus 9x by 2. So we can stop the problem here itself. So this is the expansion of 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube, which is 27x cube by 8 plus 1 plus 27x square by 4 plus 9x by 2. If you want it to write in the standard form, you can also present that. So that can be written as 3x by 2 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 27x cube by 8 plus this one 27x square by 4 plus this one 9x by 2 plus 1. So what this standard form means, the degree of the variable should be kept in the decreasing order, and at last you should write the constant. So this is how we have to write it in the standard form. Okay, let us get into the next problem, fourth one. So x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So this can be written as x minus 2 into y is 2y by 3 whole cube. So this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So a is x and b is 2y by 3 whole cube, which can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here a is x and b is 2y by 3. So we will substitute both the values in the formula and simplify that. So x minus 2y by 3 whole cube is equal to a is x, a cube is x whole cube minus b is 2y by 3, b cube is 2y by 3 whole cube minus 3 into a is x and b is 2y by 3 into a minus b, that is x minus 2y by 3. Okay, we will multiply x minus 2y by 3 whole cube is equal to x whole cube is x to the power 1, we have 1 into 3 is 3, that is x cube minus this cube applies for all the three terms. So 2 cube is 8, y cube is y cube by 3 cube is 27 minus 3 into x into 2y is 6xy by 3 into x minus 2y by 3. Okay, so that is x minus 2y by 3 whole cube can be written as x cube minus 8y cube by 27 minus, okay, now minus 6xy by 3 into plus x, that becomes minus into plus minus 6xy into x, that is 6x square y by 3, minus into minus is plus 6xy by 3 into 2y, that is 6 2's it is 12, xy into y is x y square by 3 side is 9. So I hope this will be the most simplified form. If you want to further simplify this, you can take LCM for, that is below x cube we have 1, 27, 3 and 9, we can take LCM and we can also proceed for further steps, but it's not required. So this will be the expansion, cubic expansion of x minus 2y by 3. So this is how you are going to get it in your examination for 2 marks. Find the cubes of, this will be the question you have to answer this, right? Okay, now let us get into application of these two entities, that is a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and another formula a minus b whole cube, which is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So let us apply this for numericals and evaluate the required values, right? So for the first problem I have taken 21 whole cube. I have to evaluate this. In the sense I have to find the value of 21 whole cube. So 21 whole cube can be written as 20 plus 1 whole cube. So this is in the form of a plus b whole cube, which can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So here a is 20 and b is 1. So let us substitute these two values in the formula, that is 20 plus 1 whole cube is equal to a is 20, a cube is 20 whole cube plus b is 1, b cube is 1 cube plus 3 into a is again 20 into b is 1 into a plus b, that is 20 plus 1. Okay, so this becomes 20 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 20 whole cube, that is 20 into 20 we have to find it out, that is 20 into 20 is 400 into 20, so it is 4 2s are 8 followed by 1 2 3 4 3 zeros, 20 400 into 20, that is 400 into 20, so it is 0 0 0 again 0 0, 4 2s are, it is 8, so 1 2 3 and 8, so that becomes 8000 plus 1 cube is 1 plus 3 into 20 into 1 is 60 into 20 plus 1. Okay, 20 plus 1 you can write the value directly, that is 21. So 20 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 8000 plus 1 plus 60 into 21. Okay, 60 into 21, we multiply this. 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 6 is 6, 2 into 0 is 0, 2 6 8 is 12, 0 6 2 1, 1 2 6 0. So it is 1 2 6 0, right? So it is 20 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 8000 plus 1 2 6 0 is 9260 plus the remaining is 1. So it is 20 plus 1 whole cube is equal to 9261. So what is the cube of 21 cube is, that is 9261, right? If in the same manner, similar manner, we can solve many numericals on this. Already you have done such type of problems, many problems in your 8th standard algebra, that is IDTs. So same problems are repeating again. So I have a homework for you. Find the cubes of 3a plus 4b whole cube, that is you can apply a plus b whole cube formula here. 5p minus 3q whole cube, so you can apply a minus b whole cube formula here. 99 cube can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. This one 102 whole cube can be written as 100 plus 2 whole cube. Sorry, 100 plus 2 whole cube, and simplify, that is a plus b whole cube formula. 998 whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 whole cube. I hope you can easily do it. 4x by 3 minus 2y by 5 whole cube, that is a minus b whole cube, and 9y by 5 plus 6x by 7 whole cube is a plus b whole cube. So please solve all these problems in your classwork book and send it to me. If it is possible, send it to me through the WhatsApp. Let me see that how we have done it, right? So in tomorrow's class I am going to derive another very important formula, that is a plus b plus c whole square, which is also a very important derivation. On that we are going to solve many problems in tomorrow's class. So until that, stay home, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you.